Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone marrow broth. First, gather about 3 to 4 pounds of beef marrow bones, ideally from grass-fed animals. Roasting these bones is a crucial step. Place them on a baking sheet and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes. This process caramelizes the marrow, unlocking a deeper, more complex flavor profile for your broth. Don't skip this step for a truly rich result. Once roasted, transfer your bones to a large stock pot. Add your prepared vegetables such as 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 onion, roughly chopped. Include aromatics like a few bay leaves and a teaspoon of black peppercorns. Now, pour in about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This helps draw out beneficial minerals from the bones during the long simmer. Cover everything with cold water, ensuring all ingredients are fully submerged. Bring your pot to a gentle simmer, then immediately reduce the heat to the lowest setting. You want a very slow, consistent simmer, not a rolling boil. Let it cook for a minimum of 12 hours and up to 24 hours for maximum nutrient extraction. During the first few hours, skim off any foam that rises to the surface. Once done, carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth, separating the liquid from the solids. After straining, let your delicious bone marrow broth cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze it in smaller portions for several months, making it convenient to enjoy whenever you like. This nutrient-dense broth is perfect for sipping, using in soups, or as a base for sauces. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.